Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Bank of America Savings, quick setup step by step clearly. To get started with Zelle in Bank of America, first, ensure you have the Bank of America mobile app installed on your device. Open the app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Transfer section, look for the option labeled Zelle. Tap on Zelle to begin the setup process. If you're a first-time user, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Choose the method you prefer for receiving payments. After entering your information, Bank of America will send you a verification code. Check your email or SMS for the code and enter it in the app. Once verified, you can set up your Zelle profile by entering your name. Now you can link your savings account if it's not already connected. Select your Bank of America savings account from the list of options. To send money, go back to the Zelle main screen in the app. Tap Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Input the amount you wish to send and add a note if desired. Review the details, then tap Continue to proceed with the transaction. Confirm the payment to complete the process. You can also receive money using Zelle by sharing your email or phone number linked to your Zelle account. Keep track of your transactions in the app under the Activity section. Now you're all set to use Zelle with your Bank of America savings account for quick and convenient transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.